The Storm Inside the Mind. Inspired by Martin Scorsese's psychological thriller Shutter Island, this story explores the thin line between truth and the illusion, where guilt builds its own world, and a man becomes prisoner of his own mind. A storm is coming. Gray leaves tear at the cliffs like claws. Through the fog, a freight claws toward the island, not a destination, but a memory. Teddy Daniels stands on deck, a U.S. Marshal with eyes to try to trust what they see. Besides him, his new partner Chuck, come, plied to come. Teddy tries to light a cigarette. The wind kills the flame. He mutters, "Nothing can live in this storm." And there it is, Shutter Island, home of Ashcliffe Hospital for the criminally insane. A place where reason goes to die. What begins as a simple case, a missing patient, will become the unraveling of one man's reality. The hospital breathes. Corridors twist like flames through concrete. Fluorescent lights hum like dying bees. Dr. Colley greets them. Smooth voice, steady eyes. He talks about science, treatment, hope. But behind that voice, something calculating. Teddy walks through the wards. Patient staring, whispering his name. He laughs it off. Coincidence. But the name in your latest keeps going through the halls. That night he dreams of Dolores, her yellow dress glowing through smoke. She tells him softly, "You have to let me go." He wakes in the dark, heart racing, reality bending. The island shifts, facts blur, the missing woman reappears. Guards contradict each other, and the storm cuts off the last ray. Teddy starts to see fragments, ashes on the floor, a gun in his hand, his wife's scream lost in fire and water. Chuck watches him closely, too closely. The truth isn't just hidden here, it's been rewritten by the man searching for it. They say the answers are in the lighthouse. Experiment, mind control, truth. Teddy climbs the cliffs, rain slicing his face. Lightning flashes, the tower looms like judgment itself. Side, Dr. Colley waits. No God, no anger, just pity. And the truth unfolds. Teddy Daniels doesn't exist. He's Andrew Lattis, the man who murdered his wife after she drowned their children. Everything, the case, the partner, the clues, was the illusion, a roleplay built to bring him back to reality. The storm clears. The air smells of salt and sorrow. Andrew sits quietly on the steps. Chuck, on Dr. Sheehan, stands beside him. Andrew whispers, "Which would be worse, to laugh as a monster or die as a good man?" He stands, walks toward the guards, and the sound of waves swallows him whole. They built Shutter Island to hold the insane, but maybe it was built for all of us. For every lie we tell ourselves, for every truth we can face. Because when guilt becomes too heavy, The mind builds its own prison and calls us safety. We all build our own islands. The question is, will you ever escape yours? If this storm pulled you under, leave a like to keep it alive. Subscribe and stay with us into the next illusion, because sometimes the scariest places aren't out there, they're inside us.